Sa iba, kapag yan.
Says the Lord, take your time, get up fine. All we need is just a little patience. Says the Lord, take your time, get us fine. All we need is just a little patience. No
Super sweet ko naman. Bicol Express in the morning.
Vamos ka.
Yes, welcome to my crib.
Dilita.
What? This guy.
Siguro, sabi ko kung hindi makamot si Donix, grabe pa rin.
Welcome to my crib. Welcome to host by the host.
Gusto na?
Well, I would like to bring you to my crib, man.
Hindi, parang mo yun. Anong nakapark?
No, I would like to go. You come with me. We'll go to my car, man. To my service, man.
1920s na S-Class. Late number yan.
Oh, my crib, man. We'll go to the dining room.
Okay. Sige.
Crib. Man, this is the dining room, man. My crib, man.
Move it.
Actually, this is my friend. From the gangster shit, man. This is the living.
Yes. Sino makapaghiwala sa akin sa pag-ibig hindi kita
Kabagan din.
Bubot? Okay, back to my crib. So this is very expensive. I bought it in Italy. And that guy also. Look at him. Oh. It's sa boys night out.
Look. This guy.
Oh, black nipple. I don't like that. It's very, that's so high-end. Black nipple. Kasi the black nipple. Seso kalbo sa ano? Oh, this is... Oh. This is for the dog, actually. This is the dog. Come on, dog, drink that. Oh, quiet! You're very low end. I don't like that. Okay, so this is so expensive. This is 1920s wine. You know, the used one. This is just yesterday. This is mahal. This is the special edition of Mono Black. It's a rare edition because it has a design, you know, and like the gold and diamond and don't focus me. My pimple are showing. You just unexpected. Yan. Okay, go to the bathroom. Okay, don't go there. Don't come back.
Yeah, baby.
Basta bombo. Radyo.
Bumbit, si Bumbit.
Who's Bombet? The poor guy in Bicol.
Yeah.
The government
is my enemy.
Government is posting it to me.
Fuck the police. Fuck the police.
Is my enemy.
Fuck the police.
DNR is my. Fuck the police comes straight from the underground.
Fuck the police.